Danny,
guy, go pick up hay bale or goat.
yeah,
Or the goat be happy.
for the goats. So Danny's bringing the truck and the big trailer. He's taking the tractor. The Bobcat's over there. So we'll meet you over there. So I'm gonna bring the car because we got some tools in there because the Bobcat still somehow gets air in there. I think after we get it home, we're gonna have Ron come over and just go through the old unit and see if he can get it all squared away. You be good there, Lolly. Bye-bye. She thinks she's Snoopy. She's sitting on top of her doghouse. Why, you need it? You need it? You need it?
Not yet. Maybe one time.
For what?
What?
For what?
Make that 5 bit.
Okay.
Then I might take to Ron.
We just keep it out so it doesn't get snowed in.
What?
We can keep it out so it doesn't get snowed. You can just take it home.
Yeah, before when snow come, I can put it in the shed.
I'm gonna put sealer on it first.
What?
I'm gonna seal it first.
Oh, finish?
Yeah, some more.
Okay. On hay bale.
Convoy.
What?
Convoy.
Yeah.
I guess I'm driving this fine rig with no clutch, no brakes, so it's gonna be interesting. Gotta get her home because I gotta get to work.
Now Mike can drive tractor home with the hay bale, and I got the hay bale on the back of trailer. So you know Mike can drive tractor home. And Bob drives the loader home too. To come behind me, I'm stuck in a traffic jam. So, not the way I'm passed through. The corn to dry up, please do it before harvesting. To make up. What? Oh really? You don't get on a tractor. Now Bob driving to north. Alright, be home, Pete. Make it coming, Pete, soon. Okay, guys, I got the hay home for the go. Did you go happy? See? You happy for hay, huh? You happy? And more sheep over there. Now make it home with the hay. After. Come with the fast man. Alright, now I got more hay.
What? Yep, got it home. See if the bobcat makes it.
Now I might have to go work.
Yep.
Make more money.
Okay, Daddy's in control. You got a video or are you gonna be done? Say bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
You got a video, Annie? Or?
Maybe.
Maybe? Alright, he might video some.